You'll also find 4 life rafts located in mud compartments. One is located in a ceiling compartment in the forward cabin. One is in the overhead bin in the forward cabin, and 2 are in the ceiling compartment after overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember they may be behind you. If you must evacuate this aircraft, exit path light on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on items behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seats for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It is also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seats or from restroom ceilings. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and stop the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light in a pouch under or between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and